Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zainab. I'm an Australian revert. I'm here today to discuss with you a very, very important matter of the recent floods in Pakistan. Inshallah, we're going to have a fundraising dinner on the 25th of September. More details will come. As many of you know, that there's over 30 million people in dire need of help and assistance in Pakistan, and it's only going to get worse because not just the flooding, livelihoods have been destroyed, farmlands destroyed, animals and stock. This is going to affect many Pakistanis for many years to come. So please contribute what you can and stay tuned for more information about this program. Inshallah, come and join us on the 25th. Thank you.